3 against 1. What was it? Trying to remember it. Oh, it's coming.
Who's stronger, him or you?
Well, if Sukuna regained all his power, he might cause me a little trouble.
But would you lose?
Nah, I'd win. What's your answer now, brat?
Nah, I'd win.